Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 13th, our word of the day is tawdry. 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 Tawdry is a 6-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Tawdry means looking bright and attractive but in fact cheap and of low quality. In other words, cheap, shoddy, or tasteless. It can be used to describe almost anything from clothes to people to even events or affairs. Similar words include flashy, garish, gaudy, gimcrack, loud, meretricious, tacky, tatty, trashy, brassy, cheap. Examples of sentences using tawdry are: their ugly front garden and tacky tawdry lights fail to reflect our village image. The corporation would like you to know that they are deeply regretful of this tawdry display. The expectant mother, quite young, with tawdry lipstick, was crying and clinging to the young recruit. It was so tawdry and cheap-looking that I couldn't resist. The story starts in the tawdry glitter of traveling carnivals just before World War II. Don't bother, it's a tawdry hotel with second-rate service. Make sure to save this new word, tawdry, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.